This one is an example.
Hello, my beautiful people. Greetings once again, and you're most welcome to VS-veritychannel. Yeah, it's a new day here in central part of Uganda, Africa, Kampala district, and it's all about atmospheric organic innovations. Welcome to our farm. Here it is a point where we make organic food for fish, poultry, and for animals like pigs, and we make it by using the waste of organic fruits and vegetables, guys. We crush it using a machine. We introduce the baby larva into it to decompose it, and in the process it grows there, just as you can see. The white one is mature larvae and the black is turning into pupa stage, guys. Yes, the mature larvae we cook, we crush it, then we add to the maize bland for our animals. After saving out the larvae, the remaining is organic manure, which we dry, crush it into pure black soil, and it's a natural manure which we can introduce to the vegetable gardens, the banana plantations, and all kinds of crops. Yes, viewers, here we have 3 visitors. Train with us.
I've been waiting for you, and we are happy that you have selected us to train with us, and we are happy to host you. We need cooperation, collaborations, and partnership. Today you are here, but by the time you go, you may know her, she may know you. And as we are doing business, we need this one. This time is going to be there, having customers, but you don't have the product. They link with you. That is one of the things that we like teaching groups. My name is Tarema Victor. I'm the manager at Mosef in Organic Farm. I'm the overseer. Okay. Yes. The project here, mainly we are having black soldier fly. That is the project. But under black soldier fly, our intention is it was on the reducing on the average quantity in the country, and I think we are somehow patriotic with our fellow Ugandans. And then on the issue of collecting that garbage, we wanted not just to reduce the quantity, but also to gain something from it. The first reason is we want a healthy environment. This garbage, when we keep it accumulating in our society, we tujilekanga eyongera obungi mu environment yaffe. Waliwo kye tuyita nti global warming, nti ebbugumu navepa eriva mu mugonji mu kasasiro ligenda waggulu eyo mu bire wabeerayo gundi tugiyita ozone layer in form of oxygen. Eyo ozone layer yetuyambako okukendeeza ebbugumu eriva waggulu eyo okutuuka wano wansi wetuli. Kati ono vepa ava muno bamuyita carbon monoxide, agenda nayo noona ebire ebyo nebiryawo gundi ebire ebyo netubeera exposed to too much sunlight. Oyo too much heat ayonoona obulamu bwaffe. Ekisooka tufuna too much heat, causing mental health, causing skin cancer. Ate n'ekirala ebirime byaffe nebinyangalala nebitakula bulungi. Kati awo nitujja netugamba katutandike project oyo. Kati mu project mu kutandika ku reducing kasasiro twagenda kulaba nti twetaaga ebintu ebimu. Twetaaga decomposers. Kati decomposers nga tugenda kulaba nitulaba nga kufuna decomposers ezo magotise oyo zibeera bweziti. Mba nyina okubalagako nga ndinga kugira bwebi. Tutandika nga buli butono nitulaba nti twetaaga decomposers. Naye mu kufuna decomposers eyo nitusanga tulina okubeera nti tulina black soldier fly as the source of our decomposers. Kati decomposers eyo nitugamba kati, and to say more about that, our type of education have changed. You are all aware we are now having the new curriculum. You have children. This is a project. At the end of S4, every student had to do something with a project. If you have gotten a good idea, your son, your daughter didn't need to go and suffer. Let him do something presentable, go and earn marks without suffering as their project. If I can show you the other stage you have all seen, have understood. These are the sticks, they are the ones which you are seeing. That one is down there. It is where they lay their eggs. So very early in the morning, when you are harvesting the eggs, because very early in the morning or late in the evening, when they are not active, used into, once it is hatching, they're going to be very many. These ones were for the ones of yesterday. These ones. Are you seeing? These ones. Yesterday we usually remove like the whole ground because we have too much. The whole buckets where you are seeing these ones, for the up it was for yesterday. But today I had to repeat so that you can get the process. Then another thing which I've forgotten to talk about on the sticks, you have to be specific. We have certain type of wood which is being light. Are you seeing? They have hatched into larvae. At this stage they start eating. I'm going to bring the big ones. At this stage they have just, this one, this is the 6th day for this one. They have just hatched. Then they keep going. They keep growing. Are you seeing? At this stage, this is the stage that is of very great use. That is what I may say. It is this stage that you as a farmer rearing this one, it is where you can earn a lot of profits. The reason being, this is the stage that is going to be introduced into our garbage. These are the decomposers that I was talking about. It is this one that I'm going to introduce into garbage. They start eating and flushing that garbage into our black soil, and at the end we still have the larvae, we still have the pupa for the whole process. This is the stage.
Basically, this is a pupa.
A pupa.
Where do you put them? You just pour them inside the net here, or you get a container and put them there?
This one, you just, if you have a container, here you point it as a net, the better.
Where do you put the mature ones?
Which one?
Those ones
just die. They just die.
They die?
Yes.
Yes guys, our next video is gonna be about question and answer part of this project, and allow me to end this one by saying thank you for watching. Bye bye. Let's meet in the next video. Wow.